All right, today I'm following another one of your suggestions and I'm making a sweet potato cocoa black bean bowl. So basically, you want to get a can of black beans, rinse them very well, put it in with a third a cup of water, and just heat this up. And then you're going to smash it to your desired consistency. While those beans are cooking, you want to go ahead and toast some chopped walnuts and you want to put them in a dry pan and just put them over medium heat and just shake them around a bit every couple of minutes for about 3 minutes until you smell them and they become really fragrant. All right, my beans are warm and they're mashed. And now I'm going to add a half a cup of already pre-cooked and pre-mashed sweet potatoes. And then you're going to go ahead and add your spices. So for this, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder and a pinch of nutmeg. We're going to add a pinch of salt, a splash of homemade vanilla, and of course, we're going to add maple syrup. And this one needs just a little bit more maple syrup than typical. All right, I'll let you know what it looks like when we're done. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's all blended together and it smells so delicious. I just love how all of these recipes smell and taste like dessert. So good. All right, here's the final product. Looks so good. Okay, so instead of the banana for the banana cocoa black bean bowl, I added a sweet potato this time. And I'm going to taste it. And I also added the toasted walnuts on the top. Very thick. Mmm. Mmm. Okay. That's good, but I'm going to be honest with you. Always honest. I like the banana better. I like the flavor of the banana better, but there's very big health benefits to adding a sweet potato instead of a banana. It's got, for vitamin A, instead of 1.8 mcgs, it's got 961 mcgs. For potassium, you think that bananas are potassium, right? Bananas only have 211 mgs, and the sweet potato has 475. It also has more fiber, more vitamin C, less sugar, more vitamin E, and more manganese. The only thing that a banana has that's more is the folate. So I do like the flavor of the banana better, but there is nothing wrong with this. And if you're looking for that health boost and the extra vitamins, I would do the sweet potato. Now it is, adding, uh, how much was it? A half a cup of mashed sweet potato, mashed and cooked sweet potato. That's about a small sweet potato. So you're adding that to the can of beans. And I'm going to tell you, this is a big, huge bowl. So I might not be able to eat all of this in one sitting. I might save this and then eat it later. Um, Somebody told me, I forgot, Marlene Cocoa Bean, I think that's her name. She said that eating some beans before she goes to bed at night helps her very much sleep. And one of the benefits that I've had is it's it's helped my insomnia tremendously. It's really helped my insomnia. So I might save a little bit of this to eat it right before I go to sleep tonight. Well, let me know if you try it and if you like it. Talk to you soon.